आरम्भं करोतु महोदय।
ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। तत्सत्।
हरि ओम्। धन्यवादः तुलसीराम महोदय, सम्यक् रीत्या कृतवान्। सो कक्षायाः आरम्भं कुर्मः। तो कस्मै एकवचनं तस्य पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः। शीघ्रं शीघ्रं पुनरावलोकनं कुर्मः। तस्य प्रश्नवाचकशब्दः कस्मै एकवचने वयं कृतवन्तः। इदानीं बहुवचनं कुर्मः, परन्तु एकवचनस्य पुनरावलोकनम् अवश्यं कुर्मः। तस्य समाधानं चतुर्थी विभक्त्यां वर्तते। तो कस्मै इदर पुल्लिंगे, स्त्रीलिंगे अथवा नपुंसकलिंगे एकवचने कथं भवति? एकं स्क्रीन् दृश्यते वा? स्क्रीन् दृश्यते?
आम् आम्
अस्तु
महोदय।
अस्तु अस्तु। सो बालकः becomes balakaya. What is important in this entire slide is it is telling that when it is balakah, it's a karta, a doer. When balakah becomes balakaya, it accepts something, swikaroti. So when somebody is doer, it is balakah or prathama ekavachanam or prathama dvivachanam bahuvachanam. Prathama vibhakti. If it is in prathama vibhakti, it is doer or the karta. And when it takes the form of balakaya, that means something is given to him and he is accepting. So it becomes receiver. Ramaha becomes a Ramaya, Harihi becomes a Haraye, and Guru becomes a Gurave. So, नमो नमः ईश्वरन महोदय, स्वागतम. So similarly, balika इत्युक्ते आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः. So आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः balika is retained, yai is added. So what it becomes? Balika yai. Mahila becomes mahila yai. Janani, here this is ikaranta strilinga shabdah. This last of the swaraha, last swaraha, e, dirgha e is dropped and yai is added. Yai. Strilinga shabdah is being added yai. Yai. So jananyai, mahila yai. So ikaranta shabdah, ikar swaraha is dropped and in place of it yai is added. So Parvati becomes Parvatyai. Whenever you know that the matra or swara is removed, that the particular varna becomes a consonant. It is a halanta shabdah. So Janan, immediately if you remove E, it becomes Janan. and halanta. So janan, then if you add yai, it becomes janan yai, half na and yai. Similarly, napusakalinga shabdah, they end with makarah. So yantram becomes yantraya. Why yantraya? Like we say napusakalinga shabdah te pullingavat chalanti. And we have learnt only akaranta napunsakalinga shabdah up till now. So akaranta means yantra is the pratipadikam, then yantram becomes prathama ekavachanam. Yantram, yantre, yantrani. So yantram becomes a yantraya, like Rama, Ramaya, yantraya. Rupani api रामवत चलन्ति. जीवनं जीवनाय, अर्चनम अर्चनाय. This is the pattern we have to see here. Always look for the pattern. What is, if it is akaranta, what it is following, how the rupani are being played here. Agre, I have brought this slide for you. And if you have understood the concept well, you would be able to answer this.
Okay.
So we have, okay, I will begin with Paniraj Mahoday. Aham
Astu.
javanikayai vastram kridami. You have to ask question. And which questioning, which prashnavachakaha you will select. Just I wanted to check that.
अस्तु
कृपया
अस्तु
प्रथमं
महोदय।
करोतु।
अस्तु अहं जवनिकायै वस्त्रं क्रीणामि so javanikayai is the one which is receiving so therefore I is aikara will come in strilinga, so therefore it is aham kasmai vastram krinami.
Kasyai.
I'm sorry, kasai. Strilinga is kasai.
उत्तमम् उत्तमं जवनिका is स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः. So corresponding I have to, means we have to put स्त्रीलिंग प्रश्नवाचकः only. That is why I have brought this slide here. अस्तु. So
अस्तु
धन्यवादः महोदय. तुलसीराम महोदय अग्रिमं करोतु.
Bhavan bhavati. Of course, both Pullinga, Strilinga you put, I think. Bhavan sasyaya jalam dadatu.
So which prashnavachakaha you are going to?
Bhavan dadatu is request or order like thing. So Bhavan kasmai jalam dadatu. Bhavati kasyai jalam dadatu.
Bhavan athva bhavati. Here two words are here. Kripya vadatu karta kaha. Who is the karta here? Who is the doer of the action?
Sasyaya jalam dadatu. So karta is Bhavan or Bhavati.
So karta doesn't have to do anything with the Chaturthi Vibhakti. So this is, this Prashnavachakaha is for Chaturthi Vibhakti. So this is connected, either kasmai or kasyai connected with which?
Correct. Bhavan or Bhavati. Kasmai jalam dadatu.
Uttamam. Now you got it.
Okay.
See, that the benefit of such slides is you apply the concept.
Correct.
Bhavan athva, you started Bhavan athva Bhavati. I thought let you go first. Then I will check.
Actually, we should identify the karta and then.
Means you have to identify which word is for kasmai or kasyai.
Correct.
Prashnavachakaah should go with Chaturthi. Chaturthi,
Correct.
if it is Strilinga Shabdaha, it will take
Kasyai.
Kasyai. Or if it is Pullinga अथवा नपुंसकलिंग शब्दः, it will take
Correct.
Kasmai.
Correct.
अग्रे ईश्वरन् महोदय, अग्रिमं करोतु कृपया.
वयं मन्दिराय दक्षिणां दद्मः.
दद्मः.
मन्दिराय नपुंसकलिङ्गं. So it will take the form of pullinga. Vayam kasmai dakshinam dadmah.
उत्तमम् उत्तमं सम्यक् महोदय. सो अग्रे सीता महोदय, भवत्याः अवसरः. अग्रिमं करोतु.
कृपया ग्रीष्मकाले विहगाय जलं स्थापयतु. So vihagaya, I think it will go with pullinga kasmai prashnavachaka shabdaha.
Means either pullinga or napumsakalinga, both will go with kasmai.
Napumsakalinga, yes, sorry.
So vihagaya kasmai. So up till now you understood the concept, no? Kasmai will only be with the pulling अथवा नपुंसकलिंग. स्त्रीलिंग कस्य. अस्तु. ध्रुवा महोदय.
Vihagaya, what does it stand for? Vihagaya, is it plants?
Pakshi.
Okay.
Vihaga.
Okay. Vihangam drushti. Understood.
So pakshi is means bird eye view.
Bird's eye view. Vihangam.
That's
Right.
Dhruva Mohoday, Swagatam, Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha. I am also torn between Mundakaya and your class, Bhagini.
I know. Dhanyawada.
So Vihagaya is a pulling or napumsakling, Mahoday?
Vihagam. What I remember it, I may be wrong, I will check and tell you. Vihagam, I remember it's Napumsakalinga Shabdaha.
It sounds to me also, because Vihangam Drushti is something like Napumsakling.
Yeah.
Astu. Dhanyawad. Agre chala.
Maybe I may be wrong, I will check and then come back. Mahoday, Dhruva Mahoday, Kartum Shakyate.
Sa arogyaaya yogasanam karoti. So arogyaya, but it would be in feminine. Kasyai arogya yogasanam karoti.
Arogyam is a
Napunsakalingam.
So
Kasmai. So the question will be Kasmai arogyaya yogasanam karoti.
Sa kasmai yogasanam karoti. For what she is doing yogasanam?
She is doing the yogasanam. Sa kasmai yogasanam karoti. Okay.
Kasmai is the prashnavachaka shabdaha. Samadhanam is arogyaya. For what? For arogyam. Shamyatam, who is a Zoom user? Kindly identify yourself. Please video on karotu. Mahoday,
Basavaraj. Yeah. I'm going to get onto my other one, but I was running. I got onto phone. Okay.
Chinta mastu. Swagatam, Mahoday.
Dhanyawada.
May I ask then, Basavaraj Mahoday, Kartum Shakyate Bhavan?
Yeah, I'm still getting onto my laptop. Once.
Chinta nasti. So this, if I ask Faniraj Mahoday, do it once again. Kripya.
Astu. Rugna aushadhaya chikitsalayam gacchati. Kartru is Rugna. Aushadhaya is the, I think, receiver,
Hmm.
because Chikitsalayam is the Namapadam, Gachati is Kriya Padam. So Aushadhaya is the receiver. Therefore, Aushadham should be the Napumsanklinga or a Kasmai. Rukna, Kasmai Chikitsalayam Gachati.
So Rugna Aushadhaya. Here receiver, if you consider it is as a for Karanam api, for what he is going. So Aushadhaya, for Aushadham, he is going to Chikitsalaya. Astu. तो अग्रे तुलसीराम महोदय भवान् करोतु।
हाँ महोदय, नेता कृषकाय क्षेत्रं ददाति। नेत्रा कस्मै क्षेत्रं ददाति?
Kasmai, uttamam, uttamam. Means the idea of it, if the question you are asked is includes kasmai, immediately samadhanam should be pullingam. You write the answer in pullingam athva napunsaklingam.
Correct.
Anything you may choose. You cannot choose a strilinga shabdah. That is the objective of the whole this exercise. So agre ईश्वरन् महोदय अग्रजः अग्रिमम् करोतु। महोदय अस्ति वा? नास्ति अत्र किमपि व्यवधानं भवति। अस्तु अग्रे सीता महोदय भवती करोतु।
अग्रजः भगिन्यै वस्त्रं ददाति। अग्रजः कस्यै वस्त्रं ददाति would be the question.
भगिन्यै कस्यै, उत्तमम् उत्तमम्। सो ईश्वरन् महोदय भवान् अस्ति वा?
No, my net is down, so I'm in the mobile. I'm on the mobile.
Oh, चिंता मास्तु।
Give me little time. Give me little time.
Okay, महोदय. So who wants to try the last one?
I will do.
करोतु महोदय।
पितामहः जनन्यै आशीर्वचनं करोति। पितामहः कस्यै आशीर्वचनं?
किञ्चित् टङ्कणदोषः अस्ति।
पितामहः जनन्यै आशीर्वचनं करोति। पितामहः कस्यै आशीर्वचनं करोति?
उत्तमम्। So this way we learned the concept of kasmai and kasyai. I hope kasmai, and it is fixed now in the mind. It's which lingam it should be attached with. Agree? Gachamah. Nutan adya nutan means vishayah. Small, laghu, small means small vishaya is very means brought here, that is relevant to it. Parantu mukhya vishayah kasmai ekavachanam to kasmai bahuvachanam we will be dealing with. Small other things are also that are relevant, we will deal with this in the class. So इदानीं किम् अद्य पठिष्यामः कस्मै बहुवचने, for whom, किमर्थं, for what or for why, and samadhanam is chaturthi vibhakti. Also, if it is something anishchay vachak, we will deal with it. Then also we add chit athva chan with kasmai or kasyai, and we make anishchay vachak sarvanam. We will do it later in the class. This slide is here. I just wanted to quickly revise it, why I have brought it here. This blue line, this is Chaturthi Vibhakti we are dealing it with today. Panchami and Sambodhanam is not here. This is not a complete Vibhakti form. So Ramaya and Bahuvachane Ramebhyah. Similarly, if you go down and Hari Shabdah, Haraye is the Chaturthi Ekavachanam, we have done it. And Bahuvachanam, it becomes Haribhyah. On your right side, Guru Shabdah asti. Gurave is ekavachanam, parantu Gurubhyah bahuvachane. Coming down, right side, Phala Shabdah. So, Phalaya ekavachanam, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Phalebhyah is bahuvachanam. So, what is common here? Akaranta, this is a slide for Pullinga and one Napumsakalinga Shabdah. वो अकारांत शब्द एभ्य रामेभ्यः भ्यः इज कॉमन कम डाउन हरि भ्यः इज कॉमन कम टुवर्ड्स राइट साइड गुरुभ्यः बहुवचने भ्यः इज कॉमन अगेन कमिंग डाउन नपुंसकलिंग शब्द फल फलेभ्यः फलेभ्यः भ्यः इज कॉमन सो चतुर्थी बहुवचने भ्यः इज कॉमन. Now, we see that phala takes the form phalebhyah. And this is Napumsakalinga Shabdah. It goes with Akaranta Pullinga Shabdah. So, if we say that Napumsakalinga Shabdah go with Pullinga Shabdah, so when we are dealing with phala, it is Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabdah, phala. It will go with Akaranta Pullinga Shabdah. That is the objective to bring this slide here. So, Phalebhyah, why it is Phalebhyah? Why not Haribhyah, Phalibhyah? That is also Pullinga, na? Hari also. Guru also Pullinga Shabdah. Why Phala has taken only Ramavat? Why it has been placed like Ramavat? This diagonal. Why not Guru and Hari? They are also Pullinga. So here what we take, it is very important to know what is the Swaranta, which Swaraha it is taking at the end. So Phala is taking Akaranta. That is why Akaranta Pullinga Shabda will coordinate with that. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So Phalibhyah na bhavati. Phalubhyah na bhavati. They are also Pullinga Shabdah. So Akaranta will go with Akaranta. So Phala will go like Rama. Agre Atra Strilinga Shabdah Dattam. So Akaranta Strilinga Shabdah Sita Yai Ekavachanam Sita Bhyah. Again Bhyah. Coming down, Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdah Ekavachane Nadyai Bahuvachane Nadibhyah. So again Bhyah is common. Go to the Satita Sarvanama Shabdah. Sarvanama Shabdah means Satetaah Tabdit Tat Tat Sabay api Tasyai is the Ekavachana Shabdah and Tabhyah is the Bahuvachana Shabdah. So Bhyah is common in Chaturthi Bahuvachanam. So coming down right side, the last slide, this Prashna Vachakaah. I have put it here. Now it's very important to relate. Pullinga Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhyah. This is the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Ekvachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Basically, we are concerned with Ekvachanam and Bahuvachanam. So, when we say Kasmai, so what is the Pratipadikam? You should remember that. Kim is the Pratipadikam. Under Kim, they may be Pullinga, Vibhakti Rupani also, Strilinga also, Napumsakalinga also. How? Kim is the Pratipadikam. So, kaha kau ke, that Pullinga, ka ke kaha, Strilinga, kam ke, kim ke kani, Napumsakalinga. So, this is the Pratipadikam basically main. And if we say kaha kau ke, then kasmai will come in Chaturthi. Kaha kau ke, kam ko kan, ken kabhyam kai, kasmai kabhyam kebhyah. So what is important here? You should know that kim is the pratipadikam under which if we take pullinga shabdah, kasmai is the chaturthi vibhakti. स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः का के काः काम के काः कया काभ्याम काभिः कस्यै काभ्याम काभ्यः, that is स्त्रीलिंग शब्दः. So किम के कानि and then किन काभ्याम कैः, like नपुंसकलिंग शब्दः. So this is what we have to link it with the pratipadikam also. Kim is the pratipadikam. So भ्यः 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 is common in बहुवचन शब्दः. अग्रे किमपि अभ्यासः कुर्मः. That makes the things of the topic even clearer. So स्मिता महोदय, अवधूत महोदय अपि अस्ति. So I take ध्रुवा महोदय, भवती करोतु. एतत् पठतु प्रथमं वाक्यं.
जननी बालकेभ्यः दुग्धम् आनयति. A mother brings milk for the boys. बालकेभ्यः.
So bhyah, when you see, so you connect it with chaturthi vibhakti. कि how chaturthi vibhakti bahuvachanam is bhyah, is common. So bhyah means balakebhyah, for the boys. When it is for the boys, that means bahuvachanam. That is why balakebhyah is here.
Right.
So Miss, this is clear Mahoday, na? Dhruva Mahoday?
आम् आम् महोदय. आम् आम्.
अस्तु. सीता महोदय, भवती करोतु.
शिक्षकः छात्रेभ्यः पुस्तकानि ददाति. Teacher gives books for the students.
So gives books for the who are the receiver, they are being put in Chaturthi Vibhakti. अग्रे ईश्वरन् महोदय, भवान् कर्तुं शक्यते वा?
Yeah. But I am in the mobile. Don't miss.
It's okay. चिन्ता नास्ति.
धनिकः भिक्षुकेभ्यः नाणकानि गच्छति. The rich persons gives coins for the beggars. So bhikshukebhyah refers to for the beggars.
For the beggars. So receivers are bhikshukaah. And I wanted to ask this question, but I myself expressed it. Bhikshukebhyah. So means who are the receivers? Receivers are few bhikshukaah. They are there. So they are the receivers. Many, not ekavachanam, bahuvachanete. So many are there.
Yeah.
Astu. Bhikshukebhyah. Astu. अग्रे तुलसीराम महोदय, पठतु कृपया.
आम् महोदय. बालकः बालकेभ्यः, बालकः is कर्ता, बालकेभ्यः is receivers in plural.
Receivers in the plural. For them something is being done.
Correct. So छात्रः अकारात् पुल्लिंग एकवचनं. छात्रेभ्यः several students receivers बहुवचनं.
उत्तमं.
भिक्षुकः भिक्षुकेभ्यः. भिक्षु again अकारात् पुल्लिंग शब्दः. receivers भिक्षुकेभ्यः in
बहुवचने अस्ति. धन्यवादः महोदय. अग्रे अस्मिता महोदय, कृपया पठतु. अग्रिमं पठतु. भवती अस्ति वा? कर्तुं शक्यते? करोतु.
भिक्षुकाः हरिः हरिभ्यः गुरु गुरुः
Yes.
गुरुभ्यः
Ucharanam. Guru is not there. Guruhu.
गुरुः
Harihi. कृपया वदतु हरिः प्रातिपदिकं किम्?
हरिभ्यः
प्रातिपदिकं महोदय मूलशब्दः
हरिः
हरि इज द मूलशब्दः इकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः. सिमिलर्ली गुरुः वदतु प्रातिपदिकं.
गुरुः
गुरुः इज द
उकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग
परन्तु प्रातिपदिकं किम्?
गुरुः
गुरु. Guru is the pratipadikam, no visargah. If you put visargah, it becomes prathama vibhakti. Pratipadikam ityukte मूल शब्दः. महोदय वीडियो ऑन कर्तुं शक्यते वा? किमपि व्यवधानम् अस्ति? बाधा अस्ति?
No.
करोतु. I like to talk to you. न? इदानीं सम्यक् अस्ति. So, Guru is the Pratipadikam, then Guruhu, when it becomes, it is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So, Hari is the Pratipadikam. Harihi, when you put Visarga, it becomes a Vibhakti. So, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Astu?
Amoda.
Agri Vachamaha. Astu. बसवराज महोदय भवान् इदानीं कर्तुं शक्यते?
नृपः 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 नृपभ्य
एक क्षणं
नृपेभ्य
let him try
नृपः नृपेभ्य राइट
न महोदय नृपः is what? Tell me.
Nrupa is dhatu. Nrupa
is the receiver or is the doer?
Nrupa is doer.
So this is karta.
Karta.
तुलसीराम महोदय कृपया म्यूट मध्ये भवतु. हाँ बसवराज महोदय.
नृपः. So you want to make that full sentence with three of them?
So Nripaha is the karta. I repeat one. I solve it for you, Mahoday.
Okay.
Nripaha is the karta and last column has a kriya padam. So either Nripaha may come with dadati or anayami or dadatu, yachati, dadati, yachati. Anything may happen.
Yeah.
Any kriya padam you may attach with Nripaha.
Okay.
So what is the role of this middle column?
Okay. So Bhikshukaha is a receiver.
Receiver. So what will go in Chaturthi?
Upaharam dadati. Nrupaha Bhikshukebhya upaharam dadati.
Bhikshukebhyaha upaharam
dadati.
Now it's okay. Mahoday, the concept is clear to you?
Yes.
Why Bhikshukah? So what does it give?
That's
what
plural.
Does it indicate?
Plural. Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam. So you cannot put here Bhikshukaya. You cannot put Bhikshukaya.
So Nrupaha Bhikshukebhyaha.
Kebhyaha. Why? Because Bhikshukah, there are many beggars.
Yes.
So many beggars will not go with Kebhyaha or Bhyaha. Bhyaha is Bahuvachana form. So agre Avadhut Mahoday, Bhavan Karotu.
Yeah. Grahakaha. It will be Apanikebhya. Okay, yeah. So Grahakaha Apanikebhya Dhanam Yachati.
Grahakaha Apanikebhya Dhanam.
No, not Dhanam Yachati is good or?
Good.
Good, right? Okay.
Grahakaha gives Dhanam to for the
shopkeeper.
shopkeepers.
Keepers, multiple shopkeepers.
Multiple shopkeepers.
आं
उत्तमं
महोदय.
महोदय. फणिराज महोदय, भवतः अवसरः.
अहम् अन्नं ददातु. रुद्धाः जनकाः भिक्षुके. अहं भिक्षुकेभ्यः अन्नं ददातु. सारी, जलम् आनयामि. तृतीय विभक्ति, सारी, तृतीय पुरुष, उत्तम पुरुष. So I will give water to let's say Panditaha also, Bhikshukaha also. So aham bhikshukebhyah jalam anayami.
भिक्षुकेभ्यः जलम् आनयामि. उत्तमं महोदय. You well connected aham with anayami, and it means I bring, not I will bring or I shall bring. It's not bhavishyat kalah. It is a vartamana kalah, latlakara rupam. So anayami is aham. It's connected with aham. So whenever you see aham here, you look for anayami or the means anything with uttam purushah ekavachanam. Clear महोदय, फणिराज महोदय? अस्तु अस्तु. अग्रे ध्रुवा महोदय, भवत्याः अवसरः. अग्रिमं करोतु.
May I ask before that, this grahakah, sorry, grahakah apani kebhyah dhanam yachati, is it?
Correct महोदय.
Okay. No, I'm just writing it down, so I'm asking. Dhanam yachati. Okay. All right.
ग्राहकः इज एकवचनम, परंतु आपणिकाः, आपणिकः, आपणिकौ, आपणिकाः बहुवचने अस्ति. अतः आपणिकेभ्यः, that also chaturthi will also be in bahuvachana form.
Yes. But yachati means to
Give.
to give, is it?
Da dhatu.
Mहोदय, we can also say dadati.
Dadati, yeah, that's what even I'm asking.
Yes, both are one and the same thing. The moola rupa or dhatu is da only for yachati and dadati. Both the cases, dhatu is da only. Whenever you have some time, just check vada dhatu and da dhatu in Ashtadhyayi, dhatu rupam. Check, you will find good things there. So when gana changes, the rupani changes. It's because of the gana difference that sometimes it becomes dadati and the same dadhatu becomes yachati. Yachati, yachatah, yachanti, parantu dadati, dattah, dadati. The rupani quite different. Vishesha rupani te santi. Grame kasya avsarah.
No, I didn't get a chance, so I didn't say anything.
Okay. Vadatu mahoday.
So, bhavati janakaha upaharam dadati, is it correct? I mean, no, I'm just asking, will it work or is it upanetrani dadati?
So there is a trick here. Whenever you see bhavati or bhavan, you have to look for dadatu. It's agya athva prarthana. When I say you do this or please do this. So I'm asking you. Either is in order form or prarthana form. So you look, whenever aham is there, look for corresponding rupani. And whenever you find bhavati or bhavan, look for order or prarthana kriya rupam. So annam dadatu is the best answer here.
Correct.
Is the only answer. Dadatu.
Oh, yes, annam dadatu. So bhavati janakebhyah annam dadatu.
Uttam. Grammatically correct.
Thank you.
सम्यक् कृतवती. अग्रे सीता महोदय, भवत्याः अवसरः.
बालिका वृद्धेभ्यः उपनेत्राणि ददाति.
बालिका वृद्धेभ्यः
उपनेत्राणि.
हाँ, उत्तम उत्तम ददाति means ekvachanam. If karta is ekvachanam, dadati will only be ekvachanam. Entire change is here in the middle form. Who is the receiver? If one is the receiver, then accordingly ekvachanam. If many are the receivers, bahuvachanam. Karta may be one person. He may give things to many persons. So karta, according to karta, kriya padam will be ekvachanam. So here all the karta are ekvachanam. So balika, महोदय कृतवती, बालिका वृद्धेभ्यः
उपनेत्राणि
ददाति. उत्तमं महोदय. इदानीं ध्रुव सीता महोदय, भवत्याः अवसरः.
I did the last one, Mahoday.
You did. Okay. क्षम्यताम्. Then ईश्वरन् महोदय.
Yeah. वैद्यः रुग्णेभ्यः औषधं यच्छति.
औषधं यच्छति. उत्तमं महोदय. सम्यक् कृतवान्. सम्यक्. When I say सम्यक् कृतवान्, सम्यक् कृतवान्, do you remember something? What did I say? कृतवान्.
Please.
Well done. Well done.
Tavatu pratyaya.
Yeah,
कृतवान्. When we say पठितवन्तः, means we all did it, already studied, read it. So see, tavatu pratyaya is so common in our day-to-day language, we don't even notice it. So samyak kritavan. I said samyak kritavan means you did well. Astu. So agrame, this we did. कि whenever it is kasmai pullinge bahuvachane kasmai अथवा केभ्यः. So when it is केभ्यः, if it is bahuvachana shabdah, then केभ्यः. So जननी केभ्यः दुग्धम् आनयति. बालकेभ्यः. केभ्यः, if you see in प्रश्नवाचक शब्दः, never write स्त्रीलिंग तत्र. स्त्रीलिंग is काभ्यः, not केभ्यः. Whenever you see केभ्यः means it is pullinga. Samadhanam should be from pullinga shabdah, that too bahuvachane. So janani kebhyah dugdham anayati, for whom she brings the milk. Balakebhyah. Draupadi kebhyah bhojanam pachati, for whom she cooks the food. Pandavebhyah. So kebhyah pandavebhyah. See the rhyming also very clear here. Kasmai, if it is ekavachanam, kasmai, then it is balakaya, pandavaya, but it should be kasmai. If it is kebhyah, vebhyah, you have to bring vebhyah, bahuvachane. Astu dhanikah kebhyah nanakani yachati. Similarly, samadhanam is bahuvachane, bhikshukebhyah. So up till now everyone is clear? Up till now?
Yes.
अग्रे गच्छामः. स्त्रीलिंग बहुवचने कथं भवति वयं अद्य इदानीं पठिष्यामः. काभ्यः इज द स्त्री प्रश्नवाचकः बहुवचन शब्दः. सो कस्यै एकवचनं, काभ्यां त्यजतु अत्र, परन्तु आई हैव रिटन द कंप्लीट विभक्ति फॉर्म चतुर्थी. कस्यै काभ्यां काभ्यः. जनकः बालिकाभ्यः सङ्गणकं क्रीणाति. So means the pattern is the same. If you find balikabhyah, that means it is bahuvachana form, and the prashnavachakah will be kabhyah, not kebhyah. So pullinga kebhyah, strilinga kabhyah. Kebhyah, K is the matra, this Ka is the vertical matra, Kebhyah, Kabhyah, Strilinga Shabda. So we are doing Strilinga Bahuvachana form. So may I ask Dhruva Mahoday? Na, I think Fadiraj Mahoday Bhavan Kritavan?
न महोदय
हाँ, करोतु प्रथमम्।
अहं अस्तु जनकः बालिकाभ्यः सङ्गणकं क्रीणाति. A father buys a computer for daughters.
Yes. So balikabhyah means for daughters. Again, you know it, bahuvachana form. Astu. Avadhut Mahoday, agrimam karotu.
आम् महोदय। सखी महिलाभ्यः छत्राणि यच्छति. Friend gives umbrellas for women. So here mahila akaranta pullinga bahuvachane mahilabhyah for women.
Abhyah.
Abhyah.
So the rhyming is of abhyah. Abhyah. Astu agrime Basavaraja Mahoday. Bhavan
आम्
karotu.
महोदय। बालकः जननीभ्यः पुष्पाणि ददाति. The boy gives flower to mothers. जननीभ्यः इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग बहुवचन. Mothers,
So
for mothers.
For mothers. Here what happens? Janani, when it is in Chaturthi Ekavachanam, it becomes Jananyai. Last of the Ikarant is dropped. Parantu atra what happens? Here, Janani, the Pratipadikam is complete here. See, Janani and then Bhyaha is added. So take care of this. Janani Bhya. You don't have to drop or add anything. Oh, sorry, addition is there. Bhyaha. So Janani is the Shabdaha. So you add simply Bhyaha. Ikaranta Srilinga Chaturthi Bahuvachanam is easier. So Janani Bhyaha for mothers. Astu. Asmita Mahoday, Bhavatyaha Avsaraha Karotu Antimam.
बालिका लेखनीभ्यः मषि क्रीणाति. The girl buys ink for the pen. लेखनीभ्यः इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग
Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda Lekhani. So Lekhani remains as it is. Bhyaha is added for the pens.
For the pens.
Yes. Tulsi Ram Mahoday, कृपया पठतु.
बालिकाभ्यः. बालिका एकवचनं, बालिकाभ्यः बहुवचनं. आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्दम एकवचनं. If it were to be ekavachanam, it would be balikai. Balikayai.
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 Uttamam. So what is here? Balika, Mahila, Janani, Lekhani, all these, if you say this is Prathama Ekavachanam, so what they retain their form, Balika is retained and Bhyaha is added. Be it Akaranta Strilinga Shabdaha, be it Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdaha. Both the cases, Janani retains Janani and Bhyaha is added. So, is this clear? Lekhani bhya, clear? Tulsi Ram Mahoday, clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone is clear how
Yes.
Bahuvachanam form will be written. Astu. Agre. This one. Ishwaran Mahoday, Bhavataha Avsaraha. Prathamam karotu.
Bhavan. Bhavan means I should look for Krinatu. Okay. Bhavan. Mala Pushpani Krinatu
Bhavan, then
No. Malakebhyah.
main word, mukhya shabda, as it is remains. Only what is added?
Malabhyah. Bhavan.
See here. If it is balika, not if it is mala, so mala bhyaha.
Malabhyah. Okay. Bhavan malabhyah पुष्पाणि क्रीणातु.
उत्तमं महोदय, उत्तमं, बहु सुन्दरं. सीता महोदये, भवत्याः अवसरः.
अग्रजः रुग्णाभ्यः औषधं यच्छति.
पुनः वदतु महोदय. तुलसीराम महोदय, एकक्षणं महोदय, कृपया म्यूट् मध्ये तिष्ठतु.
अग्रजः.
No, I ask you to stay in mute.
Okay, right.
Sita Mahoday is trying.
अग्रजः रुग्णाभ्यः औषधं यच्छति.
रुग्णाभ्यः औषधं यच्छति. अग्रजः. उत्तमं महोदय. सुन्दर उत्तमं. ध्रुवा महोदय.
जननी पुत्रयः प्रसादं ददाति. Will that work?
Definitely, it will go.
Yeah. Okay. So janani putrabhyah putrebhyah.
Now, what is the main prathama ekvachanam shabda? What do you guess is here?
Putra. Putri.
Putra अथवा पुत्री.
Putra अथवा पुत्री.
वदतु. Which one?
I think putri.
पुत्री. नदी नद्यौ नद्यः. पुत्री.
Putri. So it would be putribhyah. Will it be correct?
Yes.
पुत्रीभ्यः जननी पुत्रीभ्यः प्रसादं ददाति.
प्रसादं ददाति. So ekvachane, all these karta are ekvachanam. So dadati or yachati, anayati, they all will go. Whenever you see bhavan or bhavati, aham athva yuyam, madhyam purushah nasti, uttam purushah, then accordingly you find the rupani on your right
So
side.
what is rugnaha? Rugnaha will be rugnam. Rugnaha here will be
Rugna is ekvachana form.
ekvachana. Okay.
Like Sita or Rama, Rama, Rame, Ramaha, Rugna, Rugne, Rugnaha. So
but it is strilinga.
Strilinga Shabda. We are heading. We are dealing with Strilinga.
No, I agree. But I got confused between rugna and rugnaha. So this is rugnaha.
Yeah, rugnaha, rugnau. If it is pullinga Shabda, rugnaha, rugnau, rugnaha. Tatapi rugnaha. Bahuvachane. Parantu we are dealing with Strilinga Shabda. That's why.
Okay.
Astu. So, फणिराज महोदय, भवतः अवसरः. अग्रिमं करोतु.
वैद्यः रुग्णाभ्यः औषधं यच्छति.
औषधं यच्छति. रुग्णाभ्यः. Did you say this, महोदय?
I did. वैद्यः रुग्णाभ्यः औषधं यच्छति.
उत्तमं महोदय, उत्तमम्. अग्रे अवधूत महोदय, भवतः अवसरः.
वयं, right? वयं, right, महोदय?
Yeah.
वयं. Okay. वयं, वयं देवीभ्यः नैवेद्यम् आनयामः.
उत्तमं महोदय. Vayam immediately go to will be connected to anayamaha. First you do the karta and the kriya padam. Then
Yes.
you change the middle column into Chaturthi according to the Vachanam.
Mahoday.
Did very well, Mahoday.
धन्यवाद.
अग्रे बसवराज महोदय, भवतः अवसरः.
महोदय, जनकः अग्रजाभ्यः प्रसादं ददाति.
अग्रजाभ्यः प्रसादं ददाति. उत्तमं.
Father, yeah.
हाँ, प्रसादं ददाति, उपहारां ददाति, anything you may say.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think the concept is quite clear. Here the same slide. When it is kabhyah, the question is asked in kabhyah form. You have to answer the strilinga shabdah. So kabhyah should go with the strilinga shabdah. Janakah kabhyah sanganakam krinati. For whom he is buying computers. So balikabhyah or jananebhyah. Parantu always a strilinga shabdah. That's why this slide is. So kabhyah will only go with the strilinga bahuvachana shabdah. Those who are receiving. Similarly, sakhi kabhyah chitrani yachati. Mahilabhyah is the answer. Here, balakah kabhyah pushpani dadati. So, kabhyah jananibhyah pushpani, balakah jananibhyah pushpani dadati. If it is sakhi, you may take, okay, it's a strilinga shabda. Parantu when it comes to balakah, do not get confused that karta is pullinga, so I have to put here pullinga shabda. Never, never. You think that what is being asked. If it is being asked in pullinga shabdah, kasmai or kebhyah, then only the answer would be pullinge. Otherwise, if the prashnavachaka shabdah is strilinga, then you have to supply the samadhanam api in strilinga form. That is the whole purpose of this slide. Agre gacchamaha napunsakalinge bahuvachane katham bhavati. I would ask Smita Mahoday. Bhavati कर्तुं शक्यते? प्रथमं पठतु.
कस्मै नपुंसकलिंगे बहुवचने.
नपुंसकलिंगे बहुवचने. अग्रे.
नपुंसकलिंगे बहुवचने.
How the rupani will go? चतुर्थी विभक्ति कस्मै
काभ्याम केभ्यः.
So पुल्लिंगे एक वचने कस्मै and बहुवचने केभ्यः. उत्तमम्. So we know that akaranta napunsakalinga shabdah will go with akaranta pullinga shabdah. So chaturthi tritiya onwards don't have to memorize the rupam. It will parallelly be placed as pullinga shabdah. So vadatu mahoday. Aham
यंत्रेभ्यः तैलम् आनयामि. I bring oil for the machines.
So yantrebhyah is ekvachane, bahuvachane mahoday?
बहुवचने.
For the machines. Means the concept is clear to you, mahoday?
Yes.
उत्तमम्.
अग्रे क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः ऋणं क्रीणाति.
तुलसीराम महोदय, भवतः अवसरः. पठतु.
सः क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः तृणं क्रीणाति. He buys grass for the playgrounds. क्रीडाङ्गणम् अकारान्त नपुंसकलिङ्ग शब्दः.
उत्तमम्. So that is why it's क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः बहुवचनम्. अतः बहुवचन केभ्यः will come. सः केभ्यः तृणं क्रीणाति. सः क्रीडाङ्गणेभ्यः तृणं क्रीणाति. अस्तु. अग्रे ईश्वरन् महोदय. महोदय, the concept is becoming clear to you?
Yes.
अस्तु. अन्तिमं पठतु.
भक्ताः मन्दिरेभ्यः दानं ददाति. Devotees give donations for temples. Temples ekvachanam, so mandirebhyah.
Mandirebhyah. If it is ekvachanam, mandiraya. If it is at all ekvachanam, this kebhyah will change into kasmai and
Yes.
mandiraya. Okay, Mahoday? Isharan Mahoday? Ekvachanam mandiraya, bahuvachane mandirebhyah. And also you all you should look da dhatu in Ashtadhyayi, because here see bhaktaah karta are in bahuvachana form. So da dhatu becomes dadati in bahuvachana form. So do not take any mistakes here. To da dhatu, it's very often used. Mostly da dhatu we are using. So dadati dattah dadati. So go through it and try to memorize it. Okay, if at all you do not remember, go for yachati. Yachati, yachatah, yachanti. Patadhatu. Agre gachamaha. So here, what happens? Yantram becomes yantrebhyah. In bahuvachan, napunsakalinge bahuvachane, yantram becomes yantrebhyah. Kreenanganam becomes kreenanganebhyah. Mandiram becomes mandirebhyah. You, up till now, I think everyone is getting the concept. This kasya avsarah, Sita Mahoday, bhavati kartum shakyate?
Sa Mitranibhyah.
Mitrani is
Mitrani, so Mitra.
Go for the Prathama Ekavachanam or Pratipadikam, you will get immediately the answer. If it is Napunsakalinga Shabdaha, remember Rama. How Rama will go.
This
If
is
you remember
Ikaranta.
Rama, Akaranta Pullinga Napunsakalinga Shabdaha, Mitra, go with go like Rama.
So it becomes Ramebhyah. So this
Ramebhya, it becomes
Mitrebhyah.
Uttamam. So, karotu.
Sa Mitrebhyah. Madhurani. I think I can I use this Madhurani Yachatu?
So when it is Kripya Sarve Mute Madhye, Kripya Sarve Mute Madhye Tisthatu, she is trying. Whenever somebody is making mistake, it means that concept will go deep into him or her. So let the mistakes come. So Mahoday, when it is Yachatu, Yachatu means order, Agya athva Prarthana. So I will say you do this, Bhavan do this, Bhavati do this. So if you see Bhavan athva Bhavati, that will go with Yachatu.
Okay.
So Sa Mitrebhyah, anything. Kilaka Phalgani Anayati. Sarvatra Anveshanam
Karoti.
Okay. So for the friends, she is looking for everywhere. Anveshanam karoti, looking for them everywhere. You get the meaning also?
Sarvatra Anveshanam karoti.
Got it, Uttamam. Agre Dhruva Mahoday, Bhavatyah Avsarah, Sainikaah.
Sainikaah. 1 minute, huh? No. Sarvatra Anveshanam Karoti would be appropriate, I think, over here. So, Sainikaah Yudhebhyah युद्धेभ्यः
प्रशिक्षणं
सर्वत्र अन्वेषणं करोति.
सैनिकाः. Please check the karta
Oh,
and it's
okay.
one.
So it is bahuvachanam. So prasikshanam kurvanti. So
Now we get सैनिकाः युद्धेभ्यः प्रशिक्षणं
prashanam kurvanti.
कुर्वन्ति. You now get the connection between karta
Yes.
and the kriyapadam.
Kriyapadam, yes.
कर्ता एकवचनं क्रियापदम् एकवचनं. कर्ता बहुवचने अस्ति, क्रियापदम् अपि बहुवचने
बहुवचने अस्ति.
भवति. So सैनिकाः will go with kurvanti. None other kriyapadam is in bahuvachana.
Correct.
One.
So युद्धेभ्यः युद्धेभ्यः
युद्धेभ्यः
on
युद्धेभ्यः प्रशिक्षणं कुर्वन्ति. अग्रे तुलसीराम महोदय. भीमः.
भीमः सौगन्धिका पुष्पेभ्यः सर्वत्र अन्वेषणं करोति.
उत्तमं महोदय. He is looking for saugandhika pushpani everywhere for. So pushpebhyah. Remember Ram. Rama Shabda. Accordingly you formulate the Napunsakalinga Chaturthi Bahuvachanam. Agre Smita Mahoday.
सः पुस्तकेभ्यः ग्रन्थालयं गच्छति.
उत्तमम्. उत्तमं महोदय. बहु सम्यक् कृतवती. अग्रे बसवराज महोदय.
महोदय. Okay, let me see. Sanganaka yatrani.
कृपया म्यूट मध्ये.
One second. I'm trying to make it up. I'm trying to make it up before. Bhavan Sanganaka yantrani Kila no.
Bhavan. When you see Bhavan, what you should look here in the Kriya Padam?
Ni. In the Kriya Padam, I have to look for Bhavan. Tu, right? Gachatu.
So
Karotu.
where do you find Yachatu, Gachatu, Dadatu?
Bhavan. Sorry, not Sanganakani, right? Bhavan Vahanani.
Madhurani means?
Madhurani Gachatu. Gachatu.
Madhurani is what?
Madhuram, right? Like
sweets.
Sweets. So Bhavan Vahanebhya Madhurani Gachatu.
Vahanebhya. Vahan will not eat sweets.
Okay. Bhavan Mitrani Madhurani Gachatu.
Mitrani will become
Mitrabhya.
Mitra. Punah vadatu.
Bhavan Mitrabhya.
That Rama will become
Ramabhya. Ramebhya. Mitrebhya. Bhavan Mitrebhya Madhurani Gachatu.
Yachatu.
Yeah.
Bhavan Mitrebhya
Madhurani
Yachatu. You give sweets to friends.
Yeah.
So when I repeat once again, Bhavan or Bhavati, go for Lot Lakaraha. Look, where is it Lot Lakaraha given? Okay?
Yeah.
So, Agre, Avadhut Mahoday?
Mahoday. Aham Vahanebhya Shila Tailam Anayami.
Shila Tailam Anayami. Yes. When you say Uttam Purushah Karta,
Yes.
go for Anayami, Anayavaha, Anayamaha. So this way you connect Karta and the Kriya Padam first. Otherwise the matching and the transformation will go wrong. So first
No.
Karta and the Kriya Padam. Look for the Vachanam. Look for the Purushaha.
Yes.
Pratham Purushaha, Uttam Purushaha, Kutra asti your Kriya Padam. Accordingly, you finalize the Kriya Padam. Karta first, then Kriya Padam. Then you come what is the instructions. So
Yes.
that way your mistakes will be nullified.
Mhoday.
Okay. So the
Mhoday,
same.
that sorry to interrupt. That Kila Falkani is keyboard, is it?
Where Kilak
Kila
Falakani.
Falkani. What is that?
Kila Falakani. I am getting little confused. Kila Falakani.
Usually that's a keyboard. Kila Palaka, right? Keyboard.
I
Kila
think it is a computer keyboard.
Yeah, computer keyboard.
Keyboard, right? Okay, okay.
Krishna Falakani, that we know. Shweta Falakani, Krishna Falakani, blackboard. Kila
Yes.
Falakani, what I remember is the computer keyboard.
Yeah, okay. Dhanyawad.
So
Agree.
Bhimaha Sanganakebhyah Kila Falakani Aneti. Is that correct?
You said you took this aham, na?
No, Bhimaha.
Aham. You did aham, na? Bhima,
No. I
aham.
said Bhimaha.
Bhimaha.
Bhimaha Sanganaka Yantrani Kila Bhimaha Sanganaka Yantrebhyah Kila Falakani Aneti.
Correct. Saha also. Saha may be karta.
Yes, also maybe. Okay.
Sa may also be taken as karta. But Bhavan cannot. And Sainigaha will only go with Kurvanti, Bahuvachana form. Aham will only go with Anayami.
So Bhimaha will do.
That way. So here the same thing, Kebhyaha, Chaturthi goes like Ramavata. So Akarant Pullinga, Napunsakalinga Shabdaha. Kebhyaha means Yantraya. Aham Kebhyaha. Here it is wrong. Kshamyatam. It needs to be corrected here. Kebhyaha means Yantrebhyaha, not Yantraya. See the mistake, both a classical mistake is happening here. I imported this slide and see, I did not see it earlier. Kebhya means answer should only be in Bahuvachana form. So Yantrebhyaha. Kebhyaha Kridanganebhyaha, Kebhyaha Mandirebhyaha. So this is wrong. I will fix it later. Here, this is the new topic here. So when we say Kasmai or Kasyai or Kebhyaha or Kabhyaha, something is being given or something is given for something, for somebody. So that means the question comes Kasmai athva पुल्लिंगे कस्यै, स्त्रीलिंगे कस्यै, कस्मै और कस्यै और केभ्यः और काभ्यः. परंतु similarly there is one more prashnavachakah, that is kimartham. Kimartham also relates to the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Kimartham says for what? For or why? Why this action is being done? For what? What is the purpose? Karanam kim of the action. So that is also Samadhanam goes to Chaturthi Vibhakti. That is why I brought this topic here. So kimartham, for what or for why? If I say why or for what he goes to school. Why he goes to school? The question would be, Kimartham saha vidyalayam gacchati? For what he is going to school? So answer may be Jnanaya, Jnanartham, Vidyarjanartham, Vidyarjanaya, means for gaining knowledge. He is going to school. Here, another thing. Why? Second question, example. Why or for what does he go to the restaurant? Why is going to the restaurant? So the question is, Kimartham? For what? He is going to Upahar Graham. Saha Upahar Graham Gachati, that I know. Kimartham? For what? Is he working there or is going to eat there? So that is the Karanam or the purpose. When you wish to indicate Karanam or the purpose, or you wish to know the Karanam of some action or the purpose of some action, then we use Kimartham. Kimartham. What is the meaning? Artham is meaning. What is the meaning of this action? Why this action is being performed? Purpose of this action is what? So, Kimartham. You get the meaning and the difference? Kimartham?
So, Kimartham's answer will be Chaturthi Vibhakti of.
Samadhanam is in the Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Yes, Samadhanam.
Only the Prashnavachakaha. Up till now we studied Kasmai or Kebhyaha.
Right.
Kasyai or Kabhyaha. This was the our Prashnavachaka word. Now, shifting to from the Kasmai Kebhyaha Kasyai Kabhyaha to another Prashnavachaka Shabdaha, its Samadhanam also lies in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Chaturthi Vibhakti. So, Aharartham is Chaturthi Vibhakti for Ahar.
Aharartham. Kimartham. So, you have to say, you can say Aharaya also.
Aharaya, that's what, yeah, correct. Correct, that's why it was confusing, yes. Yeah, Aharaya, then it will be Chaturthi of Ahar and, okay, yeah, I got it now.
Everyone getting it? Everyone, please unmute and say. What is here we are trying to get the purpose of the action. What is for what he is going there? So Upahar Graham, he might be working there as a manager of that restaurant. So he is not going to eat there. So purpose of saha karyartham Upahar Graham gachati. He is going for work there. But here aharaya is also correct. Aharartham for aharam, bhojanam, upahar graham gachati. So I move little further, you will get it better. So why or for what? Why is he going? What is the purpose of his going? Janakaha, if I ask a question, kabhyaha sanganakam krinati. So you get a feeling that you don't know for whom the computer is being purchased. So you are asking the another person for whom this computer is being purchased. So naturally the person knowing will say for students or for girls or for anybody needed. So the person knows that he will answer you accordingly. But if the person doesn't know, if he knows only that computer is being purchased, he doesn't know for what so many computers are being purchased. So he may ask, Kimartham, what, why are you ask, why so many computers are being purchased? Then he will question the purpose of the computer being purchased. When you are asking purpose, then don't use kabhyaha or kasmai or any such four prashnavachakaha. You use kimartham. Janakaha kabhyaha sangadakam krinati. For whom he buys the computer? Answer is balikabhyaha, for girls. And if you replace kabhyaha with kimartham, janakaha kimartham sangadakam krinati. Why is buying computers? Then also the person may reply, who knows the answer, that is for girls. He's buying the computer. So now clear?
Yes.
The answer, Samadhanam, is in Chaturthi only. But the Prashnavachakaha change. One is for who is the receiver. Second gives you the answer, purpose of the action. Why? Agre sakhi kabhyah or kimartham chhatrani yachati. She gives umbrellas to whom? Then kabhyah, then mahilabhyah, bahuvachane the answer. Kimartham, that also the person doesn't know at all why so many umbrellas are being brought here. Then you may say for girls or for ladies. Balakaha kabhyah athva kimartham pushpani dadati. Why the balak, why the child is giving pushpani to whom? First let's discuss whom. For whom? So janani bhyah, for mothers. And kimartham, for what? For what this boy is giving so many flowers? So he said for mothers. He has brought the flowers for mothers and is giving to mothers. Similarly, last one, balika kabhyah kimartham mashi krinati. Kabhyah, for what he is buying ink. So he is buying ink for lekhanibhyah, for the purpose of pen, filling into the pen. And kimartham again is the purpose of the thing. He is, he may be a balika, may be a storekeeper. He is buying ink for keeping in the stores, or he is buying for pens. She herself has so many pens and he is buying for that. So when it is purpose, use kimartham. When it is for the receiver, you use kabhyah athva kasyai or kasmai or kebhyah. Up till now clear?
Yes.
Mahoday.
Similar concept here, need not revise it again and again. Purpose, you know, and you know that for whom, receiver, who is the receiver, or for whom the work is being done. Then it is kasmai or kebhyah or kasyai or kabhyah. So here, one more small topic. When you do not know the particular receiver, give it to somebody. You have some flowers or some books, and somebody says that give it to somebody, some students. You never know whom it gone, to whom who are the students who received the books. So some, when it is anishchayavachak, when you do not know the particular receiver and you are not concerned that so and so should receive the things, you may say give it to some student, few of the students, select few students and give it to them. So then we do the addition of chan athva chit. So this is called anishchayavachak sarvanam or indefinite pronoun. Chan athva chit, we add, take one. Either you take chan or you take chit. Both are equivalent. So generally we take chit. Generally, it's in my practice, I take chit. Chit with kasmai kebhyah kasyai or kabhyah. You have to add chit with kasmai. So how do we do that? Let's see. Give the food to some beggar. And it is written male. So when it is male and beggar ekavachanam, then kasmai will come into play. Isn't it? Ekavachanam is the receiver. Kasmai will come. So give the food to some beggar. Kasmai and chit is added. kasmaichit bhikshukaya bhojanam dadat. So some is in Sanskritam, we express it as kasmaichit. When we do not know the definite receiver, it is indefinite, anishchayavachak, then we use kasmai. If it is bahuvachane, give the food to some beggars, bahuvachanam. So kasmai becomes kebhyah, isn't it? Kasmai becomes kebhyah. Kebhyah has visargah in it. Kebhyah ends with visargah. Remove that visargah. In place of visargah, small sh. How? Sh. You write shalabha or any other word with sh.
Shankara.
Uttamam. So sh, that halant, half sh. Take the visarga out, put half sh in place of visarga and add chit. So kebhyaschit. Not difficult. Remove the visarga, add sh, half sh, and add chit. Now coming to the third one, give the food to some beggar. Now it comes to female. So kasyai comes into play. Kasyai. Is it not? Kasyai, you simply add chit. There is no visarga. So simply add chit. Kasyai chit. Give the food to some beggar, some female beggar. Bhikshuki, we say generally. So kasyai chit bhikshukyai bhojanam dadat. Bhikshuki is ikaranta strilinga shabda nadi vatchalati. So nadyai athva bhikshukyai. Kasyai chit bhikshukyai bhojanam dadatu. Athva, when this one bhikshuki becomes many bhikshukyaha, so kabhyaha comes into play. Bahuvachanam. Kebhyaha. Kasyai and kabhyaha. So when kabhyaha comes, visargaha agachati. Remove that visargaha. Put sh, halanta, ardha sh. It becomes kabhyaschit. So there are two rules. Kasmai athva kasyai, don't do anything. Simply add chit, chit. Kasmai chit, kasyai chit. Second rule, when you see visargaha athva bahuvachana form, remove the visargaha, both the dots. In place of them, put small sh, small na, ardha sh, and add chit. So what happens? It becomes kebhyaschit or kabhyaschit. And it gives us additional enhancement to the meaning of the sentence to give it to somebody. Some beggars, some beggar. Just that. So is it turning out to be a difficult thing or is easy?
It's a little bit slightly difficult because now we have to use it for both, right? Like a first one, kasmaichit, and then the bhikshukaya or bhikshukebhya. So that's those two things we have to remember. Both here we have to use both in two places.
Okay, Chinta Nasti. We will revise this concept in the next class again. Yeah. And then it will be very clear.
I think it needs more practice.
Yes, no problem. So up till now only Chitachan to have two rules. Just remember that. If it is Visargaha, put Ardhasha and add Chit. If it is no Visargaha, simply add Chit. Kasmai Chit, Kasyai Chit. And it means Anishchayavachak. The receiver you do not know. You simply want the things to be given to someone. Maybe books, maybe some upaharan, anything. So that is the clue. Here, the last slide, I wanted to do it together. I think the next class, this I will not give you in the homework. Otherwise, I give it to in homework, such slide, such questions and Sanskrite Anuvadam. At this time, these both slides, this one, Chitachan, and this one, we will do in the next class. How about it? Okay?
Okay.
Mahoday.
Chinta nasti. Slow but steady. We will learn the concept. So it needs little more revision. Before coming to the class, just open the slides and try to revise entire slide deck one by one. You will think that the concept is being thorough in your mind. Okay? And try to, now it's time, you should start learning or memorizing Vibhakti. We will do a lot of Abhyasa in Vibhakti also. But to make the foundation, this year is the foundation. So you have to memorize those Vibhakti. Now you should be perfect on those Vibhakti forms and Lakara forms, whatever you have studied. Okay. Small practice, little bit, daily, a lot sometime. And if you know each other, do combined study. Start 2 people or 3 people, friends, studying together. That will benefit a lot. Just I mentioned because I benefited it a lot from that combined study. If you know each other, do that. That will help. So, okay, next class, this slide, Chitchan, and this one, we will do.
Okay.
So, Samayaha Abhavat. So, I'll open the slide for Prarthana Shlokan. And Agre, there are few slides. This is just for your own study. All Mishra Vishaya for your own study. Open them, study them. If you find some question there, do ask. But for your own reference, ready reference, these slides are below. All these Rupani are given. Okay? So not to worry. What are those slides? See, this is Napunsakalinga form, how the Rupam will go. Phalam phalani ditya. Phalen phalaihi. Phalaya phalebhyaha. So this is for your ready reference. Okay. So, anything else you want in this Astadhyayi? You people are trying, do try. Till our next class, do try that Vadadhatu and Dadhatu, those two. Okay, check Astadhyayi. And you should be perfect when you lead this Sasyam. When you go in the higher class, you should be perfect in searching those websites, how to search the website, how to take the benefit from that website. It's very important for your higher classes. Okay. So, Prarthana Shlokan. तुलसीराम महोदय भवानेव करोतु सर्वे म्यूट मध्ये तिष्ठन्तु कृपया करोतु
ॐ वक्रतुंड महाकाय
महोदय क्षम्यतां
लास्ट वन
ओ अत्र अस्ति
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम तत्सत्।
धन्यवादः तुलसीराम महोदय, धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः।
बहु उत्तमं रीत्या कृतवान्। इदानीं रेकार्डिङ्ग् स्थापयामि, स्थगयामि।
पुनर्मिलामः महोदय।